Welcome to learn more about Seaman welding equipment. The bandsaw used with our 1200mm multi-angle welding machine has adjustable lifting speed. Can rise up to 1360mm. And the cutting angle can be adjusted from +45 to -25. Additionally, you don't have to worry about pipes being too long to secure. We provide movable extension brackets, and the pipes are locked in place with clamps and straps, supporting pipes of various diameters and materials. What other places are you interested in? Leave a message for Seaman welding manufacturers via the website, WhatsApp, email, etc.